Your envelope has everything you need to make your own school unicorn. You can sew your unicorn together or glue it with tacky glue, like this fabric glue from the €2 shop. Here's how to tie a knot in your thread after threading your needle. Loop around your finger once and push underneath the thread from the top. Repeat until your knot is big enough to not go through the felt. Take one of the white unicorn body pieces, each part of the mane and your unicorn's horn. Sew them together with a running stitch. When you have finished with one section, tie a knot in your thread like so. Leave a loop in the thread and wrap it around your needle twice before pulling it through and making sure it's tight. Now it's time to attach the tail to the back of your unicorn. Your unicorn's muzzle is attached to the second body piece with the same running stitch. Put the two body pieces together to check where you want to place your unicorn's ear. And then sew onto the front body piece. For an eye, you can simply draw it on with a marker, use a button that also comes in your kit, or use a backstitch to create a solid line on the front piece of the body. Now it's time to sew your two body pieces together. But make sure you leave a space so we can put the stuffing in afterwards. You use a running stitch again, but this time catch it around the edges of the fabric. Until you reach the tail or the mane, where you can continue your original running stitch. When you've left your opening, you can take the stuffing and make sure that each part of your unicorn is nice and full. And then you can sew up as you have been before. Congratulations! Now you just have to name your new school unicorn.